And now more than ever, people are reaching for eccentric colors and patterns when decorating their homes. In today's Ask Angie segment, we take a look at the maximalist trend and how it may work in your home. Bright colors, bold patterns, and mismatched textures are all the rage in home design this season. Mallory Meisches, a home care expert at Angi, is here to give us advice on how to use maximalist decor.
If you love going big with your home decor, maximalism is for you. This design trend is all about filling your home and using items that bring you joy. Unlike most trends that aim for a specific look or a minimal look, maximalism gives you the freedom to design your space however you want, mixing colors, patterns, and textures to make your home perfectly reflect your personality.
The easiest way to start incorporating maximalism into your space is to add accents to your home. Start by adding a colorful accent pillow or two onto your living room couch. After that, you can slowly start to add more things that you love until your home is filled with your favorite items.
If you're looking for a larger project, consider replacing an old light fixture with a chandelier that reflects your personality. For example, you can add a geometric metal chandelier for a more modern look, a beautiful crystal chandelier for a grand classic look, or check out your local thrift store and see if there's something you can upcycle that will be uniquely you. Even think about where you're adding that chandelier. A chandelier in a bedroom can be a great project to add impact. Similarly, you can replace appliances, paint cabinets, and add a bright black splash to cater to your unique style.
A green thumb can take maximalist design to the next level. When you notice a gap in your decor, add a houseplant or two to fill the space. But don't stop there. If you love houseplants, create an indoor jungle by hanging plants from the ceiling, placing them on furniture, and adding them wherever you'd like.
When in doubt, layer different patterns and fabrics to bring more visual interest to the home design. You can also play with different paint colors to make your space feel unique. Try incorporating into your kitchen or bathroom more color by painting the cabinets, shelves, or islands. Tired of solid colors? Find a wallpaper pattern you love and use it to create the perfect accent wall. And if you don't know where to start, it's a great idea to think about bringing in an interior designer that can help you tap into your maximalism.
If you have questions about your home projects, we'll tweet them using hashtag AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.